Hey, what's going on, everybody? It is Sully. We are on board a Boston Whaler 280 Vantage, and it is getting a Seakeeper 1 installed. Now, this is not a factory option. If you go ahead and you're going to buy one of these Boston Whalers, this customer wanted a Seakeeper on their boat for the, all the advantage you get with a Seakeeper. So we were tasked with finding a home for it. So we look down here, you can see we've got the Seakeeper ones actually installed in here. Now, originally in that spot were all the batteries for this boat. There were 4 total batteries on board this boat. So that required those to be relocated. We've managed to go ahead and we're putting those in both the forward seats up there, but that requires also running all new wiring to make sure that everything is going to be up to ABYC code, make sure the proper wiring size is done. So we had to do our homework and make sure that's all going to fit in here. So once we get that all taken care of, everything all buttoned up, we're going to show you guys the finished product. We'll get out on the water, we'll show you a sea trial report, talk about the roll reduction and everything that can be done with this, and any of the other tweaks and modifications we had to do with batteries, charging system, adding batteries, all that kind of fun stuff. So stay tuned, guys. We'll tell you more about this Seakeeper 1 install on this 28 Boston Whaler.